my friends, welcome back to my channel. I finally got my Map of the Soul tour merch, and this is just one of the 3 packages that I'm expecting. I'm so excited, so let's just get to it. Oh my goodness. Oh, I hope everything is fine. Alright, what's the first one we got here? I got this shopper bag. Yes, nothing much. Just a shopper bag. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. This is actually for a friend. Oh, it has this too. This is beautiful. I also got... This one is for me. It's a lanyard. Let's open it. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Oh, it's kind of scratched. Aw, I don't know, can you see it? This is acrylic, but it should be scratched like this though. So it has this gray lanyard. Oh, that's beautiful. And this sleeve. Aw, that's a little upsetting. See the scratches? I might have to get a replacement. I'm not very happy with this. So there's that. And there's... This is what I was waiting for. What? Oh, it's just the tape from the bubble wrap. That wasn't wrapped very well. Oh. Alright, we got it. Oh yeah, I got 2. I got one for my friend, and obviously one's for me. Oh, look at the sticker. It's not even sealed. Why? This one's good. Alright, I'm gonna stop the video here and clean up a bit, and let's unbox this baby. I'm so excited. Alright, I'll see ya. Welcome back to a different background. So this one's not really sealed, so let's just go for it. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh, I hope everything's fine in here. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. No scratches, no scratches. Look at that. One side is BTS and the other side is ARMY. Of course, it comes with a pouch. But I'm afraid to put this down. Alright, that's fine. Here's the, what should I call this? Wristlet? Something? Here it is. Special edition. Oh, that's really nice. BTS and then ARMY on the back. And then the photo cards. There you go. Namjoon. Cute. Jin. Aw, that is so cute. Aw. Oh my goodness. You're so cute. There's Tae. And Jungkook. And you have your QR code. I love this. In the back, of course, all the same. Map of the Soul. Let me grab batteries for the ARMY bomb and I'll be right. Oh, wait. It's like user guide. Let me grab batteries. I'll be right back. Alright, I have my batteries here. Oh my gosh. It works! That is so bright. I just have one light on the side, but that's fine. I don't remember how many modes there are. So that's 1. Like when you turn it on, it's like this. So that's 2. Oh gosh, it's blinding. 3. Oh my gosh, 4. And 5. Alright, 5 modes. And then, let me turn my light back on. Voice Okay, so that's off, and that's the Bluetooth. Let me try connecting this to my app. Hold on. So I have my phone. Let's see. Self mode, special edition. It says please slide down the switch to Bluetooth mode. Let's do that. Connect. Oh, that is so beautiful. Ah, it works. I hope we can use this for BongBongCon Live. I'm so excited. Okay friends, I asked some armies around and they advised for me to check if there's a very thin film. So I have my reader here for my Cricut machine and look how thin the film is. Okay, let me turn. Ooh, see that very thin film? So guys, if you get the lanyard, just very carefully lift the protective film. Also the back side, this one I was afraid that it didn't have a film and it kept on trying to peel something. Fortunately it does have a film and I hope I didn't scratch the surface. So that's it. False alarm. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh, there it is. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. Yes. There you go. Let's put this back. Ta-da! I'm happy now. So that's it for this unboxing video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. I still have 2 other packages that I'm waiting for. Both are from the USA shop, which won't be shipping out very soon because of the pandemic. So thank you for watching. Annyeong! Army!